đi làm. Xin chào. Hello, hello.
Xin chào.
Come on, bye bye. Papa, papa.
Kind of like being at Bike Week in Daytona or whatever. Just, I guess, hundreds, thousands of bikes just maneuvering about the city on a Friday. Yeah, let's try it. Just to get it on videotape, we're gonna try and cross the street. Well, this is a pedestrian crossing. Ben and I being just a little bit crazy.
So once you taste it, see how it is.
Alright, we're crossing the street to the night market. See, you would think you'd got this far.
No, you can't stop.
Glass of beer, would they?
Well, it's not a glass, plastic cup. I don't think so.
Hanoi night market.
Sweet. I've never had it before. I don't know what it is.
Alright, I'm gonna try. It's like a mini mango. Mini green mango.
Okay, a little bit. A little bit.